Welcome to Madeira. It is the 15th of May in Madeira 2023. We are gonna go hiking up there somewhere at some stage. Plan for today is we're gonna hit up the dragon tail of the island. That's what I'm calling it. I don't know what it's actually called. Yeah, we're up in the top right part of Madeira as you look at it on the map, and this is called the Dragon's Tail. Literally come to the skinniest part of the walk.
We're going to Ponta De São and we're going to Cascata de Anjos.
Got real solid.
Oh my god. No, look.
So cool. Here we go, natural car wash.
So we just drove through the natural car wash, which is so cool. You kind of dodgy rocks falling down, but I think it was fine all in all. We're gonna go to this really cool archway now, which is like just outside the old tunnels.
So we have just basically finished our first day here in Madeira. Went out to the Dragon's Tail first. We're in Ponta De São, but we ended up going, there's an old road that's actually closed today because of rainfall, and it's really dangerous and you shouldn't drive down it, but I mean, we drove down it anyway. We drove through the waterfall and
Cascata de Anjos.
yeah, Cascata de São Lourenço.